Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Many iPhone users are reporting that when they call someone or listening voice notes on WhatsApp, the screen doesn't turn off when they hold the phone near their ear. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Clean the proximity sensor. If any dust and debris block the sensor, the problem be occurred. Clean the proximity sensor area using some dry cloth. Solution 2. Remove the screen protector and case. Remove the screen protector and case, then check if proximity sensor is working or not. Solution 3. Update WhatsApp. Open App Store on your device. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then check if update available for WhatsApp or not. Solution 4. Force restart your iPhone. For iPhone 8, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 series and iPhone SE 2nd and 3rd generation, do the following steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, do the following steps. Press and hold the side button and volume down button at the same time until the Apple logo appears. Solution 5. Update your iPhone to latest version of iOS. To update, open Settings app on your iPhone. Find and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If any update is available, download and install it. Solution 6. Reset all settings. To do this, open Settings app. Find and tap on General. Scroll down to bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Select Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up window, select Reset all settings. Again, select Reset all settings to confirm this process. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.